Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stylish coquette outfits in Berry Avenue. So if you want to create a coquette aesthetic and stylish outfits from lace and bows to soft pastels, I'll guide you step by step to achieve that dreamy feminine look. So first, you can just head to avatar menu. Click on avatar, and in here the first thing that you need to do is click on the menu and go to the equip options and import this ID. So enter it in here. 147 306 20463, and then tap on add. And you'll get this cute soft pink shirt. And then for the accessory, I'm going to just import this ID for the necklace. 174 1281 5823. Add, and you'll get this necklace. And next, for the skirt, let's just go to the menu first and click on clothing and find skirt. So find it using this chibi doll skirt. Okay, you can just find it from here, the skirt. Sorry, apparently you need to go to the pants first to get this skirt, so you can just find it from here. Choose the one that you like for the skirt. So in here, I'm going to just add this one. Okay, now the last one, you can add this accessory. For the hair clip, I'm going to just use this sakura flower. Click on enter, and here you can just choose the one that you like. Just this one's right here. Okay, I think it's done. You can just tap on that. This is the final look for the Coquette outfits. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.